MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. I have come up with this Forex strategy with few indicators that you can use on any time frame you want, and this is good for scalping too, even on 1 minute time frame. Any time frame you want to use this indicator on, the principle remain the same. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so and do give me a thumb up. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. Now let me show you how to use this simple strategy that I've combined together for MetaTrader 4. You cannot use this strategy on MetaTrader 5, only on MT4, and you cannot use it on derived platform also. Before you take any trade, do make sure you check a Forex Factory to see if there is news, and avoid any pairs that have news 30 minutes before or 30 minutes after, or you stay away completely from it and trade other pairs since you have other alternatives to pick from. Now let me show you how to use this simple strategy. I've combined few Forex indicators together. Now this is simple way to use this indicator. I have this PTL indicator, this moving average here, then I have this arrow, and the last indicator here on the main chart is this support and resistance zone, then the TDI indicator on the indicator window. So let me show you how to use this particular strategy. I'm on 1 minute right now, and if you want to scalp, you can use this to scalp on any time frame. This is 5 minute time frame, and another thing you can do, you can check a higher time frame first, like 15 minutes. If you want to scalp on lower time frame, you can check 15 minutes and see the direction. On 1 minute it is sure, on 15 minutes it is sure that the trend is down, so we can go back to 1 minute or 5 minutes to scalp in the direction of 15 minutes or higher time frame you like. Here is 5 minutes time frame, and as you can see here, we are in a downtrend. So the only trade you are going to take is going to be sell setup. You are going to take only sell, and this buy you will not take. Here we have all the sell signal, and it did deliver because we are trading in the direction of the higher time frame, and we have all the indicators in agreement. Now let me show you how to combine all the indicators on my chart together to come up with a winning strategy. Number one thing you have to look out for is this PTL indicator and the arrow. If you have the PTL indicator here and the arrow is not present, then this trade is invalid. You are not going to take this trade. Here we have the arrow here that does not repaint, and we have the market closed, or the candle closed below the 13 moving average. Then we have the PTL indicator follow. Then you can place your trade at this particular point for a sell. Here also we have the two indicators in agreement, close below the 13 moving average, and here we have the two line, red and white, below the yellow line. This is a good setup for a quick scalp. Here is another confirmation. Here also another confirmation. At this point we have the two indicators, the arrow, and it did close below the 30 moving average. So this is a good setup, and it did deliver also. So this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any time frame at all. Just make sure all the indicators are in agreement before you place your trade, and you will be fine. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Now let me show you the settings for all the indicators I use for this Forex strategy. So I have a few indicators, the support and resistance indicator, and these are the value. You can set it up, but I'm going to drop the template. Make sure you download it, it is free. These are the values in case you want to change it yourself. These are the value also in case you want to change the value or you want to set it up yourself. But I'm going to drop the template so that you can use it and have exact chart the way I have it here, because we have a lot of things to change it, so there is no need for you to go over it. But this is all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. Here is it on 15 minutes. This is 1 hour. This is 4 hours. So you can use it on any time frame you want. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so and do give me a thumb up. This is a great tool that anyone can use. Make sure you trade on a regulated brokers. I have dropped some links in my video description for some of the broker I do use, and I do not have any challenge with them. On this particular PS right now, we have a cross above this point for a buy, but the PTL is not present, the arrow is not present, so it is invalid, and besides it is against the main trend, so we are not going to take this trade. And this is simple way to use these simple tools that I've combined together. The download link is in the video description. Make sure you download it, it is free. I dropped the template also so that you have the same setting, the same chart like mine. Only trade in the direction of the higher time frame. Now let's go over it again and see how you will use it. Make sure you do not make any mistake. Number one thing that must be present is either the arrow or the PTL indicator. The candle must close below the 30 moving average. Then these two lines, red and white line of a TDI, must cross below the yellow line. So this is where you take your trade, and you only take trade in the direction of the higher time frame. Here we have the indicators, here the arrow and the PTL indicator. This cross below the 2 moving average, and these two lines are below the yellow line of TDI, and this is the right point to place your trade. This is the last signal generator in the direction of the main trade. We have the arrow and the PTL indicator. Candle closed below the 30 moving average, and the two line closed below the yellow line of TDI. So this is a right setup, correct setup that you need to take. Do not trade against the trend if you do not want to lose your money, and make sure you follow money management. To make money, it is simple, but you cannot win 100% of your trade, but you will win higher percentage. And if you follow money management, you will always be on top at the end of each week. So till I come your way again, make sure you keep to the rule. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. Give me a thumb up and turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy, either for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. The download link is in the video description. Make sure you download it and do give me that thumb up. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.